Hi everyone, this video is just to support you with the third and fourth part of our lesson for Friday, just around getting started on that SHE report. So as you can see here, for our lesson on Friday, part of what you'll be doing is beginning your SHE report. So just in terms of the steps, the first thing is to download and read the task sheet. Now I've already asked you to do this a number of times, so most of you have probably done it, but just be aware that you'll need to have this PDF, the Science of the Human Endeavour Investigation Task Sheet. Now, read through that. It's got lots of useful information, and just because I'm going to talk about it later in the video, be aware that there's part A in which you're choosing your topic and the SHE concepts that you're connecting to, part B in which you write your essay plan, and part C where you actually write the report. So that's the task sheet, and you'll need to have access to that. Next thing is to download the Science of the Human Endeavour notes around the different SHE elements. There's also a video I made today that goes through that and explains that for you. So in your biology OneNote, under course content, content library, 2021 slides and notes, science inquiry skills and science of the human endeavour, there's this table, and what you need to download from that is this PDF that is a set of slides that I then talk about in this video. So watch that and you have a greater understanding of the science of the human endeavour, science as a human endeavour elements, and how you can use those in your task. The next part of that DayMap class note is then to read some of the articles from the SHE topic ideas to help you decide what your topic might be. So again, that one's back in OneNote, next page down, SHE topic ideas. So these are a whole lot of different articles from different sources that you can read through them. If bionic leaf, turning sunlight into fuel, is interesting to you, click on that, have a read. These might give you some ideas for topics that you would like to explore. And obviously you now have one source that you can use as the start of your research into that, but you would need to study and look up and search some other sources that you can use as part of that. So once you've got a topic and you understand the SHE elements, it's time to start doing part A of the planning, which is done directly into OneNote, into your section of OneNote. So OneNote, your name, whatever that is, there's a tab called tasks and a page called SHE planning. Let me show you what that looks like. So I've got this one just open down here for Mason. So each of you have one of these sections in your OneNote, and under tasks, there's a page called SHE planning. And this is what I want you to do. So part A is to tell me what your chosen topic is, what article you're using, and maybe add some other ones if you found some other research on that, and then highlight to select one or two of the SHE elements that you're going to connect that with. That's all you need to do for part A. Tell me your topic and the SHE elements you're connecting to. Part B, which is what I've got here for homework, I want you to work on before next Tuesday. Part B is then to continue that to actually start to do a rough essay plan. What's your introduction? What are you going to put in your biological background? What are you going to put in your SHE section, which is the interaction between science and society, where you talk about intersections between your topic and your one or two chosen SHE elements, and then your conclusions there. The reason that I want this done in OneNote rather than in Word is so that we can interact and I can see that live and I can put comments in and see that you're all working on it. So please do your planning through your SHE planning page in tasks in your section of OneNote.